What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're not going to be making a knife this time, but instead a neighbor of mine has a bunch of these yard tools, 2 machetes, an axe, and 2 shears. They're all rusted up and dull and in bad shape. We're going to see if we can clean them up for him, put a new edge and all that. So a little something different. Let me know if you like it in the comments. This is after scrubbing with steel wool and WD-40. Got most of the rust out, and I went ahead and sharpened the saw back right here with a little hand file. Now I'm gonna put a new edge on the blade. I let the shears sit in vinegar for a few hours, and you can see some of that rust is already busting off by itself. So now I'm gonna scrub it with our steel wool and WD-40, clean them up, sharpen them, same thing. Here's a little side by side before and after the steel wool and some high grit sandpaper. Alright guys, I got everything put back together, cleaned up, sharpened. If you've seen the beginning of the video, you would see that this pair of shears and this machete were covered in heavy rust. You can see all the pitting that's still left. But I got it cleaned up the best I could, got it sharp. Nice and sharp. I went ahead and sharpened the saw blade as well. The axe wasn't that bad, but I went ahead and cleaned up the axe head and, you know, sharpened it. If you guys enjoyed that video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want me to do next.